Okay, this is one of our final stages almost, but this is the room, the floor that I've been laying all day. That's Raquette in there. Look, I'm sorry, look. She's finalizing that paint job. Oh yeah, ladies, DIY, because we are the women that rock. So next time you see us, we will have that floor done. But look at the office, it's a mess. Check it out. This is a mess. I did this myself because all this was over here, right? But all this stuff is going in the room. But this wall will be mirrored wall, and then all my wigs and stuff will be back. So that's the part of the boutique. So it's like, oh my God, it's crazy. It's just crazy. It's crazy in here. Look at it. We got them everywhere. The only room that's together is, well, kinda, is this one. Because I do hair in here, but it's coming together. Let me take y'all to the dungeon. Y'all want to see the dungeon? It's really the classroom in my office, but right now it's looking a little suspect of a dungeon. Because, da-da-da-da, oh, it's a mess, a hot mess. But in due time, y'all gonna see why. All right, stay with us. All right, bye-bye.